Mar del Plata, a vibrant coastal city located in Argentina, is a multifaceted destination that offers a rich blend of beachside relaxation, cultural attractions, and outdoor adventures. Known as the Pearl of the Atlantic, Mar del Plata boasts a lively atmosphere, diverse entertainment options, and a charming blend of old-world charm and modern vitality. The city's extensive coastline features a variety of beaches catering to different preferences. From bustling urban beaches like Playa Bristol, where visitors can enjoy water sports, sunbathing, and beachfront dining, to quieter stretches like Playa Varese, which offers a more relaxed and tranquil ambience, Mar del Plata's beaches provide a diverse range of experiences for beachgoers. The iconic Torre del Monge, a historic watchtower overlooking the sea, offers panoramic views of the coastline and the city. This architectural gem stands as a symbol of Mar del Plata's maritime heritage and provides a picturesque backdrop for leisurely strolls along the coastal promenade. The city's vibrant cultural scene is highlighted by the Teatro Colón Mar del Plata, a historic theater that hosts a wide range of performances, including plays, musicals, concerts, and dance shows. The Mar del Plata Casino, located within a grand building by the sea, is not only a hub of entertainment but also an architectural gem that transports visitors to the city's glamorous past. Mar del Plata's culinary offerings showcase Argentina's renowned cuisine, with a focus on seafood, Argentine barbecue, asado, and traditional dishes. Restaurants, cafes, and food markets offer a rich tapestry of flavors, allowing visitors to savor the country's culinary delights. The Mar del Plata Aquarium is a family-friendly attraction that provides insights into the marine life of the region. Visitors can witness dolphins, sea lions, penguins, and various fish species through interactive exhibits and entertaining shows. For outdoor enthusiasts, Mar del Plata offers opportunities for adventure and recreation. The Sierra de los Padres, a nearby mountain range, provides hiking trails, horseback riding, and stunning viewpoints that offer sweeping vistas of the surrounding landscapes. Mar del Plata's annual events, such as the Mar del Plata International Film Festival, draw artists, filmmakers, and enthusiasts from around the world. The festival showcases a diverse array of films and contributes to the city's reputation as a cultural hub. In essence, Mar del Plata encapsulates the essence of a coastal getaway with a vibrant cultural twist. Whether it's enjoying the sun and sea, immersing in cultural experiences, exploring natural landscapes, or simply indulging in the city's culinary scene, Mar del Plata invites travelers to embark on a journey that embraces Argentina's coastal beauty and vibrant spirit.